How's it going, everyone? I have a unique opportunity here that I'm looking at. I've been looking at some small cap stocks, penny stocks here that have good potentials to make a big high quality setup here. If you guys been in the Discord, you know I was in SES. I have made over near 20% gains on it, cashed out on it. But I'm looking for another stock. The one I'm looking for is NVNI. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing on the chart here and the good and the bad. All right. So the first thing I see is one, we have a gap down. All right. So we do have this gap down. We got to respect these gaps down. Is it a big gap down? Not really. You can see the distance of it. It's not too big. I kind of like to look at that. And the next thing I see is that the last time we hit the EMA 5 was on this candle here. Okay, so let's get rid of these lines here. The last time we hit it was here. Did we have prior volume before this? Not really. It was kind of pretty much dead. Less than 1 million volume to me is pretty much dead. We started picking up volume on February 28th when it dropped here with 72 million volume. That is a lot. Next day was 38 million volume. We went down 49%, 63%, another 30% with a 37 million volume. Went up a little bit, went down again, and you can see all throughout here we've been kind of consolidating. So I like this setup a lot, guys. NVNI, and the reason why I like it is because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. We have an extremely low K value of 2.20. Are we at this lower counter channel? No, it's not going to hit it. It's a negative number. It's irrelevant. So if I see a negative number right here, we can't really pay attention to that because the lower counter channel is trying to come to the price. Sometimes I like to look at the news. Is there anything like bankruptcy news, something like that that would make me not want to go with this? Proposes key resolutions for shareholder approval. They did that on March 3rd. NanoScience regains compliance with NASDAQ. That was on 225. So I don't really see. I mean, they sold 60.74 ordinary shares, but that was all the way back in February 10th. There's not really anything that I'm seeing like drastically like, oh, I can't take the risk on this, right? So I'm liking this a lot. We're coming in down to this lower channel here. Right in here is your clear support at the all time. We've dropped another 6% today. You can kind of see it's kind of like been going down some. After hours, I've seen it went down to this 24 acting as support. So I'm going to be looking at this one, and the name of the game is accumulation for these penny stocks, okay? When you see that price has potential to hit this EMA 5, well, you got to understand it's going to go down every day. So we want to make sure our average is under this EMA 5. Are we due for the EMA 10? Well, not really. I mean, 224 is the last time we touched it. Usually a month not touching the EMA 10 is long. I wouldn't really look into the EMA 10, okay? So then I'd like to see, is there a lot of black space between this EMA 5? Is there enough margin of gain? To this EMA 5, you're looking at a 32%. Not too shabby. It's not like drastically insane. It's reasonable. I like to see at least 10% gain, okay? So we have clear support here. We're getting closer to this lower support channel. We have a very low K value. You can see right in here when that K value was 1.99, we had a tremendous move from this low to this, making a 50% return. So I really like how low these K values are. Usually when you see this KDJ just extremely low for quite some time, it's probably not going to make a drastic move down, all right? It's so low that, you want to accumulate these kind of things, all right? So we have, I repeat, what was it? 10 daily candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we have 10 daily candles not touching the 5 with massive volume. Anything that's well over a million volume is really good in my eyes. And I've seen 7082s, 38 million, 37, 83 million, 25, 47 million, lots and lots of volume. NVNI is on my top radar for penny stocks. This is the stock that I'm getting in. This is the stock that I'm going to buy. I love it. I like it a lot. The K value is small. They have massive time distance from the EMA 5, massive volume. I don't see anything like outrageous on the news. It's investment, banking and investment services. It is in the Cayman Islands, so not the greatest area I like. I like United States the most, but grand, but in my honest opinion, though, I do think this is due for a nice move. So I'm going to look for it. I want to make sure, can I get near this lower support level? Can I get maybe in the 1 region for the K value to make it a little more safer? And then I'm going to accumulate once a day, all right? I'm not just going to throw all my wad in one time. I'm going to have several ads, and I'm going to add once a day. Because remember, EMA 5 goes down each day. I'm going to add once a day. So I can be in line with this. My profit is always 10%. Take your profit at 10% and move on to the next play. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, please read how to subscribe down here. All you have to do is click the hashtag day trade alerts right here. Click that, and then you'll be opted in to subscribe. All these asterisks will be unlocked once you subscribe, and for this video, you're getting a promotional discount of 12 bucks a month. Lifetime discount. You'll be grandfathered into a system where you get all these alerts, swing trades, day trades, and most importantly, this the education you're going to get. You're going to understand why you're taking trades, why you're in them, and all that good stuff. Day trading education here, swing trading education, everything that you possibly need to know, guys. This is my analysis on NVNI. Hope you guys liked it. If you do subscribe, make sure you do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. Android users will have to subscribe on the computer. And then lastly, if you're not from the US, you will be charged a little extra, but it's not going to be that much more. Maybe $15, $16, something like that. But you get access to everything. And as long as you stay with me, you'll be grandfathered into that discount. It will never go away. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. NVNI, top penny alert stock that I'm watching. Lots of volume. Maybe we can get a big move up soon. Peace out.